Welcome to Digital and FinTech Analytics channel.
Hello friends, welcome to my channel Digital and FinTech Analytics. Today we will be going through a very interesting topic which is leveraging real-time bidding with advanced marketing analytics. In this particular series, we will understand what is real-time bidding and how it plays a very important role in the marketing domain. It is very crucial for the data scientists to understand the concept of real-time bidding and the different use cases or the problem statement that arises out of it. So without any further delay, let's get started with the concept of real-time bidding. So what is real-time bidding? Real-time bidding, or RTB in short, is an automated auction-based system where digital ad impressions are bought and sold in real time within milliseconds. It allows advertisers to bid on ad space for impressions, ensuring the right ad reaches the right user at the right time. So in marketing domain, online advertisement plays a very key role. So by online advertisement, I mean whenever you load a web page, how the relevant ads are shown to you within a matter of millisecond. Within a matter of millisecond or within such a low latency, what goes in the backend that a relevant ad is shown to you. To understand this, let's understand the concept of real-time bidding in detail. So in the next couple of slides, we will cover the chronology of the real-time bidding process. Let's get started with it. So in the real-time bidding timeline, there are like three main players. One is like the user, one is like the publisher or the website that the user is loading, and the advertiser or the company or the organization which wants to show a ad to this particular user. So how it happens? Let's look into the timeline. So in the very first step, there is this user who is a fitness freak, and this user is trying to load a page which is basically this publisher, uh, and this publisher is basically uh, say like this publisher is healthnews.com. So this user is trying to access this web page, and the web page is loading, and there is a particular section of this web page which is open for ad. So what happens over here is like this publisher wants to show some ad to the users who are coming into this web page. Assume that the web page attracts a lot of traffic and it also has ad spaces to monetize. So basically this publisher is a supplier of ad spaces. Now the publisher reaches to a platform which is say like supply side platform or SSP in short. So SSP automatically auctions off the ad space. So whenever a user loads a web page, SSP sends a bid request. So basically the publishers uses an supply side platform to manage their ad space. Now, there is another player that is like the advertiser. Consider we have an advertiser like Nike, and Nike is a shoe brand, and it wants to promote running shoes. So the target customer of Nike are fitness enthusiasts. Nike demands its advertisement should be shown to the fitness enthusiasts, which will be the target audience of Nike, because they are trying to promote running shoes, and definitely only fitness enthusiast people would more likely to buy those kind of shoes. So we see like this user is one of the target audience of Nike because he is a fitness freak and he is on a website which is known as healthnews.com, and is definitely reading an article about health news. So if Nike is able to display his ad over here, then there is a great propensity like this user is going to click on this ad and get converted. So let's look at the next step. So until now we have seen there is a user. The user is a fitness freak and he is trying to load a website which is healthnews.com, and there is a ad space which needs to show some ad to this particular user. So what that advertiser Nike does is like it reaches out to a demand side platform which actually manages the ad campaign for Nike. So how demand side platform works is demand side platform will receive requests and it will evaluate whether the user fits target audience. If yes, DSP will place a bid. So basically what happens in the previous slide we saw, SSP will send a request to DSP to auction of this ad space, and along with that, SSP will also send some profiling about this user and this website. So basically it can send like this website is a health related website or fitness related website, and it will also send some information about if this users in the past has done some search related to fitness. Considering all this metadata about the users and the website, DSP will decide whether this user fits to its target audience of fitness enthusiasts. If yes, then DSP will place a bid on behalf of Nike. Now what happens over here is like it's not only Nike who is present over in this particular game. There would be Nike, there would be Adidas, there would be Reebok and other shoe brands who are into fitness apparels. Everyone would like to show their ad to this target user because this target user is also a fitness freak. So each one of this advertiser will play a game of bidding. So everyone will try to bid their own price for this particular user given the information that they have about the user. So there is an auction that is going on over here. The auction is won by one of the advertiser as per the bidding strategy. So whoever does the best bidding, they will win this ad space and they will be able to show their ad to this particular user. So assume over here Nike has done the best bidding and Nike won this ad space and they are able to show their ad to this particular user. So this ad is a very relevant ad that Nike wants to show to this particular fitness freak user, and there is a high propensity like that this particular user will most probably click on this ad and will get converted by doing a purchase related to the shoe. So the winning advertiser's advertisement is displayed to the user on the publisher's website. This is the final step. So where does the marketing analytics comes in this scenario? S- So we saw RTB or real-time bidding is a super fast auction mechanism, but marketing analytics is the brain behind the bidding decisions. Without marketing analytics, you are just randomly bidding for ad space. You might waste budget showing ads to wrong people. You might overpay for low value impressions. But with strong marketing analytics, you predict which users are most valuable. You optimize bids dynamically. You target the right audience segments and you analyze and adjust the campaigns in near real time. Who all benefit using this RTB? So as I mentioned earlier, there are like three key players in this particular scenario. The advertisers over here are able to reach to the right users, so the conversion, the chances of conversion is also very high. The users also see the relevant ads and not random ones. The publisher also earn more revenue by auctioning off their ad spaces. In the next couple of videos, we will see the complete ad ecosystem and what is the importance of each of the component of this ad ecosystem. Until then, thank you. Have a great day.
That's a wrap for today's video. If you found this content valuable, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future insights into data science, AI, machine learning, and analytics. Looking to master data science or drive data-driven success? I offer expert training, mentorship, and consultancy for individuals and organizations. Let's collaborate. Reach out via my contact details in the bio.